Alright guys, here we're back again with the beetle, and today I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter. Now this may apply to other Mach 4 Volkswagens such as the Golf, Jetta, Passat. It should be roughly the same, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the beetle. This is a 2000 beetle with a 1.8 turbo engine. Alright, so once you jack up your vehicle, you're going to go directly by the back wheel, and it's right here. So you're going to need a a flathead screwdriver, and you're going to want to release this clamp right here.
Let's just hold it in place.
And then you're going to want to release these hoses from the little clips here. So this white one, just to move it out of your way, and then this black one, which is the fuel line. So once you get them loose, these are like those little push tabs. You push them in and they release. So all you gotta do is find where it pushes in, and just be careful because there might be fuel that will come out of here. Let's see, is this? Might need to release it from the back first, that way I can slide it out with the hose and then remove it from this end. So I am going to see where it is on this end. And it looks like it's right here. So just be careful with your eyes and the fuel, that you don't get gasoline in your face. So that doesn't want to come out. But this has to be the tab. I see the tab. Yeah, there we go. So you just push in, and I might need another screwdriver to wedge it out while I push it. So I'm gonna go grab one. Alright, this might be difficult with two hands, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And I want to try to get you guys to see it as well. You know, push in the tab and release it. See what I told you guys. Be careful with the gasoline that comes out. Filter ready, because you will start leaking gasoline. Just make sure that the arrows are facing towards the front of the car. So it's going to be like that, towards the front of the car. And you're going to keep that front tab on, and you're just going to try to pop this one in. I'm going to see how that works. Pop it in so that way I can slide the old one out and try to get this one in, and then get the other tab released from the old one. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot right now. Alright, so unfortunately the clip was broken, the push pad was broken, so I had to wedge it out. I eventually got it out. So the thing is that when you get that other side released, you take the covering from the new one and you put it in, because the gasoline is gonna leak out. So you put it in to stop, because there's gasoline in here. And now we're going to take whatever gasoline is in this filter and we're going to put it in a bottle. That was what I was catching from the filter while it was still in the car. So I'm just going to get as much gas as this filter as I can, and then I am going to put on the new one. Alright, I decided not to because the dirt was coming out from the filter. So I'm tossing this bottle, and I am just going to put on the new one and close that tab and dispose of this. So let's get that new one on for now. All right, and there you have it. New fuel filter. As you can see, that one was bringing lots of stuff in it. It was really old. So we got that fresh one in. I think the last time I changed this was a couple of years back. So I think it was about time.